day, dear students. I am English teacher from Almaty Oblast, Pamphilov region, Үлкеншыған secondary school. My name is Imинова Сахиба. Today we will learn a new theme. The theme is the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. Today's our lesson objectives are: read the text and identify the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. Ask complex questions to get information about the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. Discuss about the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. And the last, explain the meaning of the texts. Today we will learn new words. Today's our new words are monuments, beautiful modern city, continental climate, the Oriental calendar fountain, Tree of Life fountain, commercial and cultural center, center for business and trade. All of you repeat after me. Monuments, beautiful modern city, continental climate, the Oriental calendar fountain, Tree of Life fountain, commercial and cultural center, center for business and trade. Today we will learn new texts. And before the reading text, watch the video, please. Boys and girls, you watched the video about the best places in Kazakhstan. And now we will read new texts about Nur-Sultan and Almaty. You will read and translate these texts. And now we will do the tasks. The first task is answer the question. We have 3 questions. The first question is, where is this city situated? What is this city famous for? This is the second question. The third question, what places do you like to visit in this city? Where is this city situated? What is this city famous for? What places do you like to visit in this city? Now answer these questions. And the next task is write true or false sentences. Read the first, you will read and answer and write true or false sentence. Nur Sultan has a population about 1 million. The second question, Almaty was capital from 1928 to 1999. Now check it please. Nur Sultan has a population about 1 million. It's true sentence. Good. The next, Almaty was the capital of Kazakhstan from 1928 to 1999. False. It's false sentence. Good for you. And the next task is find out. Find out the text, the sightseeing of Nur Sultan and Almaty, names them. Find out the text sightseeing correctly, please. The next task, use your smartphones to find information about the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. And the next, our home task is find out and write new information about the best places to visit in Kazakhstan. And now, feedback our lesson. Feedback from today's lesson, I want to use the strategy 3, 2, 1. Write down today's 3 new words. 2 adjectives to describe the lesson and 1 activity to you like. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.